Now that's VW life. Woo! Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today on VW Life. We got a show for y'all today. How about that start right there? It started off with a bang or a fire or a blow up. Hey, look here, rolling over to Coral's house. It's Squareback Saturday. That's right, we're gonna work on Winston today. So headed over with D White and the trailer to get the Squareback, bring it back over to TJK HQ. And the boys and all, we're gonna do some work today. So you guys have been wanting a video showing us doing some work. Here we go. Stick with us today on VW Life, everybody. Squareback Saturday. Somehow y'all always miss the fun part. So we got this up on the trailer. There's Winston the Squareback. Straight as can be. OG paint. Just got a little rusty pans we're gonna work on today. There's Carl with some parts. Yeah, I was like, yeah, we missed a good part, shoving this thing up on the trailer.
Well, if Martin was here.
Yeah, I know. We had him filming. We had all hands on deck. So, there we go.
The back tire's like...
Is it hissing?
Yeah.
Well, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, no, it's
you know
crusty.
What? That's probably good for 100 miles or so.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
I don't think you need
totally
tires.
safe.
Y'all don't need
completely
tires.
safe. There you go. It's free.
That brake go? Are you off the brake? I'm off the brake. Oh god, something's dragging.
Brakes or something.
Okay.
We're going straight to the shop.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. We made it. Woo! Oh, dude, that looks good. Holy smokes, dude. Nice work, buddy. Wow.
So, yeah?
Yeah. Is this the one that was in it?
Yeah.
My clutch.
Is it
It's
bad?
got, I think it's even got a hole in it.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the magnet?
Add
That
to the
sucks,
list.
'cause
Add to the list, boss.
That's one of the parts that are not easy to find.
The Type 3
Type
fuel
3
tank.
fuel tanks.
Oh, has it got rust on it?
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just that cool. That's a rust hole, dude.
Is a rust hole?
I don't know. Maybe not.
It just looks like it's
Look
like
in there, though.
tar or something?
What is that?
Like the paint? Was it painted?
Oh, God.
That
Look at that. Look right there.
What is that?
It's all
in the-
rust chips.
It's in the
See it?
cooler.
Oh,
Look at
you know
it.
what it is? I wonder if it's from that little... It's from that splash thing in there.
Yeah.
God.
It's, yeah, if that's there.
Baffle.
It's the
Yeah.
baffle. Well, let me see this
It's
way.
bad, dude.
Yeah, it's...
Okay, well this works, so let's save this. I'm like, I know this works.
Yeah, it's like that everywhere.
It's like a stick light.
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Oh.
Oh, I can see it from here.
But it's like, it's not magnetic, though.
Yeah, it's just flakes of varnish. God, you said it was full.
It was full.
That's weird.
No, but it's metal. Look, it's coming off.
Yeah.
It's rotted out. See it?
Gotcha.
Look at here.
Oh, look here.
Ooh.
We're just got what we're gonna do with that, I think.
Well, that's where I was telling you about the heater channel. See it right there? The
Yeah,
window, you can look inside the door. It basically came into the door, came down that sill.
It
and
just sat
dripping.
right here
Yep.
in the carpet and
Yeah.
ruined it. But
So it's just that part of the heater, because that side looks good.
This side's fine.
Okay. Where are those pinners?
There's
right here.
there, and then there's
three of
there's
them.
like a couple like right in here too.
but
tiny.
they're
Okay.
if you try to zip them, they'll blow right through. I think you can try it. I've got a copper plate to put behind it.
Yeah, we could try that. Yeah. What about right there?
I mean, I have replacement for all that.
Yeah, but how far do your replacement come up to here?
Yeah, but that was
it should go further. Yeah, it should go all the way to the front. It should go all the way to the first solid bar.
You got
Okay.
a hole here, there, but it looks.
Well, these I would zip those up.
That would zip up. Zip.
Yeah,
We
I
just gotta
basically
get
have
white.
on that side.
That's
I
what we
have-
gotta worry about is that.
That's
that side. It's in 2 pieces because that's all they had. This side's 1 solid piece from
Yeah,
here.
we'll, I mean, we'll just cut it up.
Carl's trapped.
That
sounds stripped.
Some spices in here.
Spices. Yeah.
Lowry seasoning salt.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm building a thing for Jake, for Ziggy. All right, the tunnel cross member blah seat stand thing is out. Half of it was already rusted out. So now we got that out.
Yeah.
It's tacked to the tunnel. So that's that.
Here, I got a nice fresh gas cap for you.
Oh God, look at that thing. I
Wait
walk.
till you
Hey,
see down inside
even
the
I
tube.
can smell over here.
Wait till you see down inside the tube.
Is it bad?
Come look.
So Carl and Bert over here goofing around with the. That's like a really stack. Oh Lord of mercy! Look down in there. Yeah.
Is it not working?
Gas just does a number of metal. You know, it's weird. Okay, brackets out. We got a new one of these. They do make those, repop those.
What?
That front cross member. Oh, it's starting to rain, huh?
Here's the question. Where does it mount? I guess it's the 3 bars, so it's like this.
Right.
But it's not enough. It's not
It's
big
too
enough.
fucking short.
Why
That's
would-
why it doesn't have the holes
Why
in it.
wouldn't he build it? Because this bends down, doesn't it? This doesn't stay up. This we bent.
Yeah. That's yeah.
That's why he's doing the cutout, so it goes around this.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have to make this piece.
You don't have to hear me about that. It's really, that's just the weld strip that's flat. That's it, Martin.
Alright, so what we're gonna do.
Oh, midlife crisis, Matt.
All right. Yep. Go for it there, Martin.
All right, cleared off.
Fuel tank coming apart. Look at that.
So that, I'm guessing this is the charcoal canister in here.
You can't see me. Probably can't even hear me. There we go. All right, we're making headway. Woohoo! So here's the driver's side. We're gonna use patch here. Zap those. Use this back tube for that repair. Up there and down here. Not too bad. But everything else, and then we got to come up with our rail here, our seat rail. So we got to work on that. Just cutting this out. I think we use that grinder and just cut that off.
Yeah, a little bit at a time.
Yep. Cool. It ain't that bad. Which way to the? Which way to the? Oh my God! Look who showed up!
I got here just in time.
But it's time to go accomplish lunch.
Accomplish lunch.
Brett, Bert, what do you think? Time to accomplish lunch?
I think it is.
Oh, look who else showed up.
Oh, just in time.
All these mooks show up for lunch. Did you notice that, Carl?
I did.
We know what to do.
Oh my
I was
gosh.
up at 6:30 this morning.
Carl's
Yep.
deep pockets for us.
Well, we're making a little bit of headway, not as much as we'd like, but we're making headway. And well,
It's a good looking car, man.
that is a good looking.
It's a really good looking car.
Oh yeah, baby, time to accomplish lunch. We're making headway today. Everybody come to Whataburger, they're doing a business. This is crazy. Muchas gracias. Oh. Oh.
That's bringing that tire down too much.
Is it popping it up at all?
Spinning the tire down.
Everybody okay?
Yep, I'm alright.
Good Lord.
Do that on tape?
I got that on tape. Oh my God.
Look at that.
I think I got that on tape.
That was my childhood soccer ball. I could have been the next Messi.
So, what were y'all trying to do again?
Pop that dent with a ball. So we now know that.
Yeah, that doesn't really work in that case. You might ought to just
Beat it.
come up from underneath and yeah.
Well, I was underneath with air pressure. That was the good
Yeah.
Can you get to it? Can you reach that?
Well, yeah, we could.
Until he blew it up with a ball.
Go get a rubber hammer.
Oh, he blew it up with a
Try to pull the tire off.
What the?
Give him more.
Give him 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Jake shows up.
I'm
on a hail.
There you go, Bert.
Bird's got him a new hat.
There you go.
Because I go across where there is a weld, and I just go just below it.
Yeah, just tink, 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 tink.
Because you want to use that weld to bridge you.
Yeah,
That's
use
how
your
I-
weld to build. Think of it like think of it as a hot glue gun for metal.
Except you don't get the little string.
So if you don't get this, you do if you keep the trigger long.
It's just too long, but I can bind them.
Oh, look at the little shelf. What you need is a nice 73B. 73. 73.
73?
Oh, she's a real beaut, Clark.
Like, I know.
There's the Dremel King.
I am the Dremel King.
You are the Dremel King. There's Bert. He's the Foot King. So this is, look at this. Just cut this out up there. It's the air box rotted out. So we got that cut. So we got to plug that. That'll be good. There's the Mad Martin.
Like, can you see that?
Yep.
That's where we got to come up.
Oh yeah, where it got kingpin.
I can't see where it's at.
Is that doing anything?
I can't even see where you're at.
I'm right there.
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's
the
right
spot.
where you need to be.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
A little bit towards the back, another ½ inch. Okay, in the middle, go back forward a little bit.
Right. I think once we let that thing, I think we're all right.
I think so.
Bridge that gap.
That looks good, Martin. Because of my fat ass.
Here, hold on. We got it. We got it. Get in there. Okay.
Oh, that's much better. Am I driving all right? Hey, we need to get that water. Oh, that's good. Turn around. God, it's really hanging up.
Yeah.
And we're just not that strong. We got it.
No, that one, that rear drunk's thing. It's got to be a little bit. This
We got a
one,
car coming.
cut it. Cut.
Yep. All right.
You're a little far over. Hold
All
up.
right, let me out. Good Lord.
Oh, on the CV axle?
Yeah.
Is this IRS?
Yeah.
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 I'm gonna help back there push.
Okay.
Which way am I going? Am I moving yet?
This way, this way.
Carl, am I good?
Yep, straight out, straighten out.
All right.
All right, a little bit this way. Straighten it out. All right, bring it straight. Bring it straight.
Headed your way, Carl.
Keep it going straight.
Go, boys, go. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
To your right, Gary, a little bit. There we go. No. Straight.
Oh, straight? All right.
Straight.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
All right, stop her.
Ta-da! All right, boys. Well,
And we're done, Steve.
ta-da! It turned into a Scirocco.
He wised up. In the
Wow.
water.
How you like them apples? Bert, what do you think today, buddy?
I had a lot of fun. It was cool seeing the welding, and even though I didn't necessarily do a lot to help, it was really helpful to have all you guys around.
Well, we're happy to be able to help you, brother. That's the best thing, man. Get you going, and that's the best thing. We got a little bit more to finish up the pans,
Yep.
but we made a major headway.
Big headway. Well, we know what we're doing now. We think we know what we're doing.
Yeah, I think so.
Not really.
I haven't known what I'm doing since I've been like 8.
So anyway, Winston, the 71 square back's looking good.
Yep.
We made some headway. We want to say if you want some swag, check us out at All Metric Garage.
Get you one of those nice, comfy VW Life sweatshirts to work on your Volkswagen. in.
It's
The only way to work
right.
on your
Look how
Volkswagen.
swaggy that
I'm
is.
going to be picking myself up one.
Oh, there it is. You heard it right there in the flesh. And that's awesome. And artwork by Martin. Hey, thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts and tell your uncles and tell everybody you know about VW Life. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see y'all soon. Thanks, everybody.